Hello, this is Stephanie from the Manlius Library, and welcome to this video demonstration of making a burlap pumpkin. The Make Kit for October includes burlap, polyfill stuffing, rubber bands, twine, and a plastic tapestry needle. To complete this project, you'll need a pencil, aluminum foil, and some glue. First, fold the piece of burlap in half, and then sew along the short side with a piece of twine. You can see here I did not worry too much about the size of the stitches. I made them kind of big. Next, take 6 strands of the jute twine and tie a knot at one end. Place it inside of your burlap sleeve. Bunch up the end of the burlap and tie with a rubber band. Turn this inside out so that the rubber band is on the inside and you have the strands of jute twine hanging out from the outside. Now you're ready to stuff your pumpkin. Bunch up the top of the pumpkin and tie it with a rubber band. I folded it over and cut off some of the extra loose strands. Once you're ready, bring up the pieces of twine hanging from the bottom and pull it tightly and wrap it around the stem of the pumpkin. You want to form the pumpkin section, so make it sort of tight and firm to help create the shape you want. I tied the last piece of twine around the top of the stem. Place a piece of foil on top of the pumpkin with the twine hanging over it to help protect the pumpkin from the glue. I mixed the glue with a little water and then I just dipped the twine into the glue. Lastly, use the pencil to roll the twine and hold it in place. Let it dry for about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below how you liked making this project. Was it easy? Do you like the results? And don't forget to tag us on Facebook or Instagram if you post a picture of your pumpkin. We'd love to see it.